Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to highlight books and sync notes in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to highlight books and sync notes to Notion, all you can do is simply use your Readwise or BookFusion. So you can open any of the accounts you prefer. So I am opening Readwise. So once you open your Readwise, you need to use the Kindle app or another supported reading platform to highlight the passages. So you need to sign up and create an account on readwise.io and connect your reading sources like Kindle, Apple Books, Goodreads, or Libby. After this, you need to grant Readwise access to your Notion account. This will create a new database in your Notion workspace. Readwise will automatically sync your highlights and notes to the new Notion database. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.